So today we've got a BMW F30 330D 2017 and we're going to do a BMW steering rack repair kit. This is to repair the knocking noises that they make when they're stationary when turning the wheel and any slight knocks when going over bumps. So yeah, I'll show you how it's done. So I've got a BMW F30 steering rack repair kit off eBay. I think it was £25. You see genuine BMW parts. So part of the repair kit, I don't know what these are for, but we don't use them for doing this. So this is the main piece that wears out. You see there, this is the new one. So top bit spring goes on here, and then you get the top cap with the rubber bushing that inserts into there. So I just used a Allen key to push it through, so it goes this way, and that just will sit on top of there when it goes in, so it sits like this. And then this is the removal tool to get the old one out and then to put the new one in, so that'll just insert onto there. And when we do it, just before we do it, we'll just pack some grease here, 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 and then around the sides to insert it easier. And then yeah, we'll see what the old one's like when we take it out. We'll do a quick comparison. So we're just under the car, and the main bit we are looking for is so you can see the bottom of the steering rack, and then control arms here. So just take this panel down, remove the side panel from there. The main bit we're looking for is at the top of here. So we'll take this out with the removal tool now. So using a 24mm spanner and the tool, we're just going to get into here and then take it out of here. So you can see it's just coming out. This on here. So I'll just take a bit to get it out. So now we've got the old piece out, you can just see there. I don't know if it's really worn as such, maybe a little bit. And this is what's meant to cause the knock and possibly the plate in the steering rack. So yeah, this is the new bits now. Yeah, I haven't used any BMW grease, but this should do the job because I already had it at home. And I don't plan to keep the car long, so it'll do for what I need to do on it today. So yeah, this is the new one, and we're just gonna slip some grease on the sides and on the centre as well. Yeah, I'll get back to you when I've got it all greased and back in and let you know how it goes. So yeah, I've put some grease on all these bits now. Basically put the grease on the same bits that there were grease on when I took it out of the car. So yeah, just let you know how much I put in. Yeah, so we've got the new bit back in. I don't want to go too tight with it. I don't want to have it too slack. It's hard for me to sort of torque it up because I can't get torque reference in there, and there's not much on the internet about torque settings. So I'm just going to do it lightly up with the spanner and test drive it, see what it's like. And if I need to come back to it, I'll probably readjust it. So yeah, that's sort of how easy it is to get to when you do the job. And I'll let you know with the update on if it makes a difference or not. So I'm back, I've just done the repair kit, it's all done, just taken it out for a 5-10 minute test drive. I'd say you'd notice the difference when driving, it's slightly more responsive. You definitely know it's being done at like slower speeds. That's when you notice it's a bit more tighter. But yeah, if I turn it off now, it's not knocking anymore when I turn the steering wheel. I mean, you're always going to get a bit of knock when it's stationary, but yeah, to me that's 100% a lot better than what it was before. So yeah, good result.